All right, so today I'm gonna make 3-ingredient Nutella brownies. This is super easy, kid friendly, anybody can make it. So first you're gonna need 1 jar of Nutella. This is the 13 ounce. And then you're going to need something to mix it in, 2 room temperature eggs, and you're gonna need a half cup flour. And then you're gonna need something to stir with and something to get the Nutella out with. You're also gonna need a pan. I prefer an aluminum pan because when I use it in like my regular cookware, it has a tendency to stick even if you use like non-stick spray. So this, for some odd reason, does way better. I normally put it in the square one, but this is the one that I have right now. So first we're gonna get the eggs cracked. And we're gonna stir this. And while I'm preparing this, I do have the oven going right now at 350. All right, let's get the Nutella in. Like I said, this is super easy to make, and we absolutely love these. You're more than welcome to add like nuts or sprinkles or whatever you have a taste for. And you need the whole jar. You don't need to add sugar because, trust me, this has way more than enough. You don't need to add any kind of oils, or you don't need to add anything extra to this. Like, this is way more than enough. Oh, this, oops. This is way more than enough ingredients. And this is super fun. Me and my daughter love to make this together. She also loves to make like anything she can taste or lick the bowl. I do not let her lick this bowl in particular, but when I make things that are vegan and don't have like dairy products in it, she's down to be the licker. This can get a little messy, so just, yeah. Get all that off that spoon. You can use a whisk, but again, that'll get pretty messy too. Let me wipe my hands. Okay. Stir this to be a bit. This helps loosen it up. Not incorporated. Because once you add the flour, it's going to tighten up pretty quickly. So good. Then we'll add the flour. Now this flour is all-purpose flour, and it is unbleached flour. I don't buy bleached flour. Again, you don't have to oil your pan. Get all of the flour incorporated. It's starting to look like a good brownie batch. I personally like to top these with pecans, but my daughter has a nut allergy to certain nuts, so sometimes that's not always an option. Oh my goodness, off here. And then we're just gonna, oh, there's a little more flour. It's just, and then we're just going to put it in this pan. I already have the oven hot. Preheat it. Now, depending on how gooey you like your brownies, that determines how long you should keep them in there. So for me, we like ours gooey, but not like, we still want it to be like cakey, if that makes sense. So I try to keep mine in between 15 to 20 minutes. But the more gooey you like yours, the less time you leave it in there. So my suggestion is to check it after 10 minutes. If it's still raw on the inside, which you can determine with either putting like a toothpick or a knife or something in the middle. If it's still raw, then my suggestion is to put it back in the oven and let that egg cook out. So I'm gonna get this in the oven and I'll be back to show you the finished project. All right, so I am back. So I guess I was off on the time because this took about 22 minutes to actually cook. I checked it at about 10 minutes and it was pretty raw. So I decided to set a timer for another 5 minutes, and the outer part was done, but the inside was still kind of raw. So then I took, added another 5 minutes, and then I added another minute, and then I added another minute, and now it's done. So as you can see, there's a clean toothpick. I also did it with a knife, as you can see with this hole. But just so you know, this is done. I'm gonna let it cool before I cut it, and the end. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.